Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Diana. In today's video, I'm trying the new Fenty Beauty's Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. If you want to know how I did all that and created this very shiny diamond sparkle look, then keep on watching. This right here I was the most uber excited about because it looked so amazing online. Since the swatches that I have seen online looked very icy and sparkly, I will be doing my eyes icy and sparkly, so let's do this thing. I will start with my brows first. As always, using, my favorite foolproof brow powder. I will try to go in very, very light though. I don't want a too dramatic brow today. Now we're brushing the product out to diffuse those harsh lines. That only took me like 5 minutes, girl. Okay, next I'm just going to carve out my brow a bit using Tarte Shape Tape, as always. Put some on the back of my hand. Take my trusty little Real Techniques brush, and I believe this is a brow brush. And see where it kind of messed that crap up right there? That's about to go away. Auf Wiedersehen. Getting some more of that good old Shape Tape. Placing it just a bit onto my lid. And then using my pointy finger, just blending it out. Sometimes I use a brush and most times I don't. When I went over to Sephora, I looked at the Fenty Beauty eye primer and I almost bought it. It's just that I just like this technique. It works for me, and I will set my eyelids after I apply my foundation, which is Nora's Sheer Glow, which I picked up yesterday because the other ones that I have are shit. No, they were just not matching me at all. My Zoeva foundation brush. And then this better look okay, because I about had it with buying foundations because they never match me. But I do think that this one will do. I have high hopes for this. The eagle has landed. Honey, I am home. I am extremely happy right now because this is the most dreaded part of a new foundation. When I apply it to my forehead, that's when I always realize it's the wrong shade. So much for I don't want to have a shiny ass foundation. Next, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer in Warm Medium. And I hope I can make this work today because for some reason, I am not liking this concealer too much. And I will just apply a tiny, tiny bit. I hate that white cast that I get. Let's go in light-handed. Let's go in light. Let's do this. That ain't light-handed. Hello. Next, taking my Laura Mercier setting powder, I will set that. I usually don't like setting under my eyes because I feel like it's so cakey and just you see every single fine line and no one needs to see my fine damn lines, okay? Since I will be using glitters, gotta protect my cheeks, right? Right there. Next, I will set around my mouth area because that is where I hate being shiny. Do you see that? When I turn, this part right here will be mattified. Definitely my chin. My women's stash. And maybe my forehead. Next, what I do in every single video of mine, I use the Anastasia's bronzer in the shade Saddle and start with my eyes. This way, I just kind of feel like I'm contouring my eye frame, if that makes any sense. I feel like it pulls the area more together, especially since I also will be using this bronzer as a bronzer. And I already just start by kind of dragging that color down the bridge of my nose. You can honestly use whatever warm brown tone eyeshadow you have in your collection. So I went with Buck from the Naked OG palette. Everyone has it. Well, it's not called the Naked OG palette. It's just the Naked palette. The first palette, taking Buck, same brush, the 518 Morphe brush. It's going on the same damn thing. I'm blending it anyways, so this brush is fine. Right below the part where you applied your bronzer, as an eye frame, you apply Buck. And I will definitely be dipping my brush back into Buck to amp it up a bit. Next, I will be using Fenty Beauty's Killawatt foil in the shade Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. Taking my Zoeva Smoky Shader brush, and I will place the shade Sandcastle all over my moving lid. I kind of drag it up just a bit and I try to feather it out. Take the last brush we have used to blend it out. Next, I will take my little pointer finger and dip that into Minted Mojito and lightly place that onto the center of our lid. Before I continue with the eyes, I'm going to bronze up the face real quick, contour, and add highlight because I need some of that Sandcastle. It's a gorgeous color. Taking that saddle bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, as always, and just trying to warm up my face. Since I will not be using any blush today, I'm just going to go a little bit higher up with my bronzer today. On the chin. Trusty little Kat Von D. On the sides of my nose. I gotta get rid of this chin right here. The moment I have secretly been waiting for. Highlight time. Taking Sandcastle. Screw it, I'm wetting it. And onto your nose. And you can definitely bring that to the apples of your cheeks. Next, I will apply my eyelashes, which I will do off camera. Lashes are on. Next, I will be applying my mascara. Next, I will take some of that Sandcastle and apply it onto a pencil brush. I'm just gonna apply it halfway onto my lower eye. And I'm also gonna pop some of that Minted Mojito a little bit on the inside of my eyes. Some bottom lash mascara. Done. Oh, here is what I have been waiting for because I have not swatched this product when I went to Sephora today. I have no clue. I just saw the white little clear lip gloss bottle and it looked beautiful. Diamond Milk by Fenty right here. I really love me a good Fenty Beauty packaging. Again, right off the bat, like, look at this. Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like its sister. Before I apply it onto my lips, let's swatch it real quick. Oh. Whoo! Do you see? Can you see? Uh-huh. That's her. Okay, ready? Aww. Girl. This sheen is so beautiful, like I'm already in love with it. I have got to say, I usually am not into lip glosses. I do not like anything wet and sticky on my lips. And the gloss bomb Fenty Beauty had came out with last year just knocked it out the park for me. I tried it because of all the positive reviews I have been reading and seeing about. Everyone was raving about it, so I gave it a try and I instantly fell in love because the formula is not too sticky. You know when you apply a lip gloss and you go like, and it takes a couple of seconds for your lips to spread apart like, The Fenty lip glosses do not do that. The Gloss Bomb did not do that. This one right here, Diamond Milk, its lip gloss sister, does not do that as well. And it goes on smooth onto your lips. You can smack your lips. It does not stick. It feels comfortable. The smell is amazing. Well, it smells just like Gloss Bomb, but it's an amazing smell. It's super comfortable to wear. It's super reapplicable without, you know, feeling like you have to layer on and layer on and your lips all blah, blah, blah. No. Diamond Milk does not do that. I love the sheen. I love the sheen, I love the smell, I love the product, I love Fenty Beauty. Thank you so much for Fenty Beauty for bringing out amazing products like this. You're blessing the world of beauty. That is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like the look. And yeah, until next time, bye.